Come on in, look at what we've got. There's so much more, there's such a lot. Here at SM, we've got it all. We've got it all. We've got it all. Shopping convenience for everyone. Here at SM, it's all at SM. Here at SM, we've got it all for you.
Happy to serve!
My gosh guys, napakaganda ng SMC sign. And I'm so excited na maglibot. So eto nga, may dala-dala akong libro. So mahirap, kaya kailangan ko talaga itong iwan. I don't know where. Pero hanapan natin. Baka dito. Sa package counter nila pwede kong iwan. Let's go. So amazing, gumagalaw. Apat lang ata ang sinihin dito, Eric. It's really nice na nakakatuwa na meron ng ganito. Walang ganda lang. Ano kayang papanoorin ko or wag na lang kaya nyo. Malapit lang pala dito ang Cebu Ocean Park. Kasi sobra talagang ingat. Oh my God. Hindi ako lalabas at hindi ko alam paano pumunta dyan, paano dumaan. Pero malapit lang pala siya. Likod lang, mountain wing ng SMC side. Ayan guys, tumabas muna ako ng mall. Tingnan ninyo. May smoking area nga dito. Wala rin naman akong yosi. Sad. Tingnan niyo yung view dito. Napakaganda.